Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur. Check this one out. 2025 Forest River IBEX 25RBH. And it is really cool. So, show you right up front. Unique setup. We got 2 batteries. I do want to show you the power shutoff. I like this power shutoff, located right there. Very convenient in my opinion. And we'll show you the storage. I also like these handles because you don't have to turn anything. You can just flip it. It works rather nice. And it does have pass-through storage, as you see there. So we have 2 entryways, and I'll show you this entryway from the inside, but check out the meat on these tires. Well, let me get on the other side and try and show you with the using the sun. And I'll probably have to go to the, there we go. Great looking tread on those tires. So allows you to really get creative where you take this trailer. Single burner, cooktop, and you can also see it as a pass-through storage. And here's another look at the meat on these tires. Pardon my shadow. So you got plenty of tire tread. I do want to show you the single slide on the off-camp side. Let's get inside where the real goodness is comes alive. There's the 25RBH badging. As we step up inside, we have a bottle opener, a couple of hooks for jackets or hanging keys, double bunk, and we'll show you the storage. 2 cabinets, and it's easy close or soft close cabinets. You also have curtains, privacy curtains, or as they say over in England, privacy. And you got a curtain there, pulls around. And then again, that's your pass-through storage right there. We have seating with swivel dining trays, and then we have the dining area. The tabletop is dropped down so you can sleep additional people here. So this thing is set up for taking a bunch of kids. If you're for instance, if you're a little league coach and you want to take your team out, this would be a great camper to do so. 3-burner cooktop and a microwave oven. So in place of the oven, you got that much storage, which is a tremendous amount of storage. Really nice sink setup. So if you're washing vegetables and you want to let them drip dry, or if you shrimp or something like that, you want to let them drip dry, great setup for that. Refrigerator and freezer on the top. As we walk through the pass-through bathroom, I'll show you the amount of storage that you have here, as well as your medicine cabinet, your commode. Nice shower setup, and I do like this shower door, and it's spring-loaded, but very nice. So here's that other door I was mentioning to you. So you have a second door that goes into the bedroom, and we'll lift up. Look at the amount of storage. So you probably put maybe 1 or 2 sets of golf clubs or some fishing poles, and then you have these drawers. So 4 drawers. Excellent amount of storage. Close that down. We have 2 drawers. Then we have a cabinet with a rod in there for hanging up. And then up here, you've got all the way across storage. Let me open this and I can show you. It passes through all the way. So that's completely open. And then you have the same setup here. 2 drawers, that cabinet. You also have additional storage here, and I'll show you a little bit better over on that side. And then also, this is the pass-through storage that we saw from the outside. So I would say, you've probably heard me say storage quite a number of times. This camper is set up for plenty of room, as you can see here as I pan around. Plenty of storage, plenty of sleeping, plenty of fun. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, question below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.